This video is going to show you how to make hamburger pie. First, we have about 3 pounds of hamburger already cooked and the grease drained off of it into a casserole pan. Then you can either use cheddar cheese, American cheese, or I'm using provolone cheese. You just cover all the hamburger with the provolone cheese. Now in a bowl you need 1 cup of biscuit mix, 2 cups of milk, to that we're going to add 4 eggs, Okay, once you get that all mixed up, then we're going to put it on our hamburger and cheese. Just pour it right over top. Then we're going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes and then we'll check it. Our hamburger pie has just come out of the oven. The top is nice and fluffy. Bottom is nice and creamy. I usually cut it and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Let the cheese and everything settle so it thickens up a little before you take it out of the pan. Hope you like my recipe for hamburger pie. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.